Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You want to start by getting the controller talking to your device. Plug in with USB-C or pair wirelessly and open the Xbox Accessories app. Once connected, the app shows firmware status. Update it if requested so custom profiles and remapping work reliably. Make sure your controller has decent charge. Low battery can interrupt updates. After the update completes, you're ready to create or import a profile and move into layout and stick adjustments without surprises. Now you'll build the control feel you want. Choose or create a profile and rename it so you don't lose track. Remap face and paddle buttons for shortcuts that match your playstyle, and then fine-tune trigger dead zones and stick sensitivity. Smaller dead zones give snappier input, larger reduce drift. Once satisfied, save settings to the controller or to the cloud so they follow you between devices. Test changes in a practice match and iterate until movement and aim feel natural. Finish by adjusting hardware for comfort and precision. If you change thumbsticks or the D-pad, remove screws carefully and use a proper tool. Once replaced, reassemble and test. Add grip tape or trigger extenders to improve control and confirm the profile still behaves as expected. If you encounter stick drift, recalibrate in the app, clean contacts, and if needed, replace modules. If remapping fails, reboot the console or rebind the profile. Most issues clear with a restart and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.